Afternoon, everyone. We are the students of PMC Kendra Intelligence Loan are presenting our model on the problem. And this is our team name is Buildathon Team New One. And these are the members of our team. First, Kumar Parida, Araf Chauhan, Suya Somar, Anil Chauhan, and I Austin. Our problem is that people mix both dry and wet waste together. We are going to build a model on it. Our objective of model is to build an automatic system design that will separates both kind of waste automatically. We need component are microcontroller, Arduino, otherwise Raspberry Pi is also good for controlling and processing. We need sensor, moisture sensor to detect wet waste. If infrared sensor detects the presence of object. Inductive proximity sensor detects metallic objects. And third, we need servo motors, otherwise DC motors, for controlling flaps or conveyors. Fourth, we need conveyor belt or otherwise rotating platform to move waste from sorting. Fifth, we need 3 dustbins for different type of waste. Sixth, we need power supply, a battery, otherwise an adapter. Then we need a LED display. It is optional. If you want, you can choose it. To show status of operation. 8. Buzzer, otherwise LED indicator to show feedback and errors. And it will work on the principle of waste. First, waste is placed on the impact tray or conveyor belt. Second, IR sensor detects the presence of an object. Third, the object passes through sensor in sequence. First, inductive sensor detects metallic waste. Second, if not metal, moisture sensor detects wet biodegradable. Third, otherwise it is classified as dry, non-biodegradable waste. Fourth, microcontroller process sensor from data and sends signal to servo motors to open the perspective flat or diode to conveyor. Fifth, waste is automatically into the correct bin. The prototype of our construction is first. Build a small wooden base or arcleric base. Second, mount conveyor belt or rotating disc. Third, attack 3 bins at the output ends. Fourth, place short sequences. Fifth, correct all components of the Arduino processor. Sixth, programming output logic and Arduino ID. The outputs of our project is automatically segregates metal, wet and dry waste. It provides LED and we provided LED, otherwise buzzer indicators to no alerts and anything else. The applications we are using, smart cities and municipal corporation should use this. Schools and colleges in the STEM project will, if they want, they can aggregate. In public places and offices, these are the places we are using our projector. And this is the model of our project. This is the base of our project. We are putting an Arduino sensor here and GSM module for processing. And we are putting servo motors for separating waste. These are the container for dry and wet and third metallic waste. And this is the where we put the waste. It is the sensor of IR sensor. It will detect about metallic waste. If it's not metal, it will go to the tray, and if it's and it is a moisture sensor. And if it is a wet waste, it will go into wet waste. Otherwise, it is a dry waste. And here is our battery package. And this is a rotatable tray which helps in separating our waste. Thank you. This is our project and model.